Everyone thinks margin reduces your money, but what if I told you that's not the real story? Welcome back to Borrow and Build. And my channel consists of basically investing, as of now, a portion of my paycheck, but eventually I want to invest my entire paycheck because this is a process that is not done overnight. So if you like this type of videos, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey to the world. Please do your own research, and I'm not suggesting to do anything or whatnot. This is purely for entertainment purposes. Thank you so much. I just want to show you real fast how my account is doing while the market is all-time high. And this is very hopeful when the market is up, when the market is down, everybody is second guessing themselves. But this is my margin account at all-time high. So in this video, I want to show you two sides of the same coin. It is something that people have to recognize, and I want to show you what I mean. So as of now, my account value is at $40,500, give or take. It used to be higher, right, with the market on Friday, but it dipped a little bit, but it's okay. So remember that I'm investing my portion, or basically sometimes an entire paycheck into this account, and I'm using margin, right? So what I'm trying to say is that I'm gonna show you, this is from the Robinhood portfolio side, and I'm gonna show you from this app portfolio side. As you can see, I have 61,000, give or take, right? $61,600 invested into the market, right? Buying SPYM, XDTE, QDTE, CLM, SPYI, QQQI, etc. Right? And this is the amount that I have working for me in the background. Okay, this is two sides of the same coin. The side where my money is growing, money invested is growing my account, because I don't want to invest just my like 10% or 50%. I'm already doing so. Well, when I put my money into SPYM, right, which is, it should be here and into this one. So this app portrays very, very well what I'm trying to do and show you what I'm doing. I'm investing my money, which it's growing my account. And with that money that is already invested, it's paying me about, sometimes it goes to 10,000, because it depends how the week goes, right? And with the distributions, with the dividend, etc. About 10K. The other day was a 10K, but let's say 900, $8,000. So my money already invested is producing this amount of income, right? Which eventually this is gonna grow so fast that once I make enough money that pays my monthly bills, then I can shovel every single penny more into growth, right? So this is the side of this app. It's not perfect, but it's a point of view. And then this is the side where people kind of think about the most, like, because this is the side where I'm using margin and margin stacks. I truly understand that. But I rather do this, everyone, okay? I rather do this than working to 40, 30, 50 years. It's a personal choice, right? Not everyone has their own goal. It's Saturday and I'm at work. They called me and I'm at work, right? So it's either, I mean, listen, it's not that hard. It's not that harsh, but either come to work or I pay the consequences, right? So I decided to come to work, and it's okay. I'm grateful to have a job, but the way things are going, we can be fired at any given moment. So this is what I want to do, right? This is the sides of the two coins, where one side is like people are more focused, like, hey, you're using margin, you have over $21,000, in margin. But the side that is hopeful, that to my to me, for me, is very hopeful is this amount. If I keep investing my money, right? If I keep investing my money, this amount will grow to 100K, 200,000, or 300,000 over time because my paycheck is working for me in the background, right? So this is one of the things that I mean this is, I should focus on this, right? Growing this and making sure that I don't get a margin call, be very vigilant on that part. Be very careful because if you do this, since my account is not big enough, then I can get a margin call, and I don't want that. But once my this account grows bigger, I'll be able to do more stuff like do my own cover calls on the S&P 500, or what. Like I could play more with my account to generate more wealth. But as of now, the side that I'm focusing the most is on this one. I want to. This is the part that I see every single day. The amount of money that I have invested. When I started invested about let's say like doing this with margin about 8 months ago, or let's say 8 months ago, like I just had invested like 30K, and almost a year later, not a year later, I've doubled that amount. Actually, I think I didn't even have maybe I had like 25,000 invested, or 20,000 invested of my own money, right? So with a period of 8 months, I have grown my account to, let's say, almost $60,000. So it's a quick video showing you the side I focus more the most, which is this one. Two sides of the same coin. And yeah, hopefully, I'll see you on the next one, guys. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you like this type of video, again, subscribe. And thank you for supporting and for watching the videos that I upload to YouTube. I appreciate you. Have a good one. I'll see you on the next one.